Hello everyone and welcome to a new trading day. I'm John Anderson. Thank you for joining me at Profitable Day Trading. We're going to trade the Nasdaq future. It's now 8:26 a.m., 4 minutes left until the market opens. Before continuing, I want to introduce you to Mr. Strategy.
Hello everyone. Today is December 21st, 2022. Let's see what the market is doing. Remember, you don't have to do anything until the market opens. Be patient and wait.
Well, let's wait until the market opens.
The market is open.
Well, now the market is open. What should I do?
You have to wait until the market define its direction.
Okay, perfect. Let's wait.
Be aware, if the market reaches the level, you have to get prepared to enter the market in the long position.
I'm going to zoom in to see the bars with more detail.
Wait for the market to have a correction.
Okay.
Now it's time to prepare the order. You have to enter here, and your stop goes here.
Great, I'm prepared.
Cancel the order, it is not yet time to enter.
Fine, orders cancelled.
Wait for the market to have a correction.
I'm only preparing the orders, nothing else.
Now it's time to prepare the order. You have to enter here, and your stop goes here.
Great, I'm prepared.
You have to wait until the market define its direction.
Fine, orders cancelled.
Be aware, if the market reaches the level, you have to get prepared to enter the market in the long position.
Thanks, Mr. Strategy, I'm watching out. I'm only preparing the orders, nothing else.
Wait for the market to have a correction.
Okay, perfect. Let's wait.
Now it's time to prepare the order. You have to enter here, and your stop goes here.
Great, I'm prepared.
Cancel the order, it is not yet time to enter.
Fine, orders cancelled.
Finished, cancel all open orders, we are done for today. Well, since the market was a bit complicated, I'm going to tell you a joke to cheer you up. What do you call a robot that's programmed to make scarves and blankets? An exterminator. I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. We're done for today. Let's check the profit chart. Well, since we weren't able to enter the market today, the profitability chart stays the same as yesterday. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. Well, that's it. See you tomorrow and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hit the bell button so you never miss any video.